Awesome, eh? G'day, it's Boca T. I'm here with the crew. Decided to get the boat in the water, come down to Pope's Eye. And Melbourne has really just turned the weather on. This weather is amazing. Oh, it's amazing. So we're gonna get the GoPro in the water, throw some kids out as bait, see what fish we can bring up. Tell you what, if you find yourself in Melbourne and you don't find a way to get out to Pope's Eye in the middle of Portfield Bay, you got rocks in your head, you may as well jump on your plane off, because this place is a protected marine sanctuary and the fish that are in here just will blow your socks off. I'm just going to go down and say g'day to this one. And they're so accustomed to snorkelers and divers coming through there. They're just not bothered by you. You know, I could swim right up to them and literally just start eating one with a knife and fork. It wouldn't even be bothered. Right, jump in, Nick.